So guys, today we are gonna be playing some Blue Lock with my friend 8-Man Boys, which is Omer at school. I'm just waiting for him to join. So let me invite him. Did he join? What? He's not in yet. I said to him to join. So I'm just gonna do that. Match has started, okay. That team. Okay, now it's started. So I'm 1v1ing my friend from school, Omer. I'm using Isagi and the Flow Ice. Yeah, it's not that good. I'm in the yellow team, so I hope I score the one in front of me. Well, he said that he is not gonna use like any abilities. So let me dribble, okay. Jump. Easy shot. Jump. Easy shot. Kick. Kick shot and I'm gonna cook just like I cooked to Orange, bro. I'm gonna cook just like I cooked to Orange. Welcoming to 8-Man Boys. Kick it so he doesn't get it. No!
行くぞ右足世界一のストライカーは俺だ
Yeah, it's tricky to say. It's gonna say. Yes. Blue's allowed to do that with the ball? I had Shay before, and Shay is pretty good. Also, Tiggy is pretty good. Dribble. Kick! Let's go! I kicked it forward, that was crazy right there. What? Oh, I just got that free ball easily. What? What? Bro, you don't have his abilities. You can't do that, bro. I know that trick. Oh, what? Wait, how? How though? How? It's a way until you get the ball. Slide. Slide. I just got ankle break. Bro's using that same trick again. Slide. Ooh, I said no ability. What's that? Jump easily. Jump. Because then when he kicks. What? No, he's using a flow. He's using his flow. I know Bro's using his flow, bro. Let's start jumping. That's the best way possible, bro. I want to play basketball Geo. Bro, I want to play basketball Geo. Basketball Geo is actually really no way. Look at bro doing that crazy dance. Even I do it though. Wait, bro got the 400. Crazy. Crazy. What did bro say? Bro said the ace eater. Oh no. What? How? Bro's using abilities. Bro's actually using abilities. I actually know Bro's using abilities, bro. Awakening. Let's go. Better jump right when I see him, so get ready.
四角オフサボール
Jump.
おい潔
Thumbs up. Yes. Okay. I'm on my mobile, so let me to, like, you see, like, he's doing ability. मलाई जोइन गरेको जोइन गर्न त Jump. Ooh. Kick. What? How? Wait, how? Oh, that was good. Yo. I got it. Yes. Jump. Just keep jumping. Now start running. Jump. Kick it. I still don't direct shot. Slide. What? How did it go too fast? Fade away. Fade away is gonna be the best one. Slide. What? How does he keep doing that? Bro's trying to like scribble around so he doesn't get slided, but yeah. Steal easily. What? Yes. Why? Who kicked me again? I was gonna trick him though. I was gonna get that one. Still. GG's crazy. मलाई हेल्प चाहियो I need help please help चाहियो please आपको Okay bros go keep back Wait, what happened? Oh, nothing just happened. Okay. Dribble. No, what? Okay. Oh,
聞いてるイサギ四角オフザボール
Okay, I don't know why I just said that.
おいイサギちょっと
Why
いい。行くぞ右足。世界一のストライカーは俺だ。
Chodź go asi da cię. Whoa, this is crazy. Whoa, wait, what did I just get the ball? Check me does that happen? I want to decide.
जहिले काम गर्ने रेस्टुरेन्ट बिल्डिङ भित्र नेसन भन्ने छ त्यस्तै इन्डियन सेक्सन छुट्टै महँगो छ हो नेसन पनि महँगो छ हो महँगो छ मैले अस्ति पाइनँ होइन एलबी मलाई त महँगो लाग्यो है भेजिटेबल 140 145 130 हुन्छ ल्याउँदा What?